Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anvesha with you. I hope all of you are doing good. Now the makeup look that you're seeing right now, I have done it in this video and this is a summer approved makeup look. Now you can wear it in morning as well as in evening. If you're wearing it in morning, just remove the lashes and it is a very good day friendly makeup look. You will see it later in this video. So without much waiting, let's get started. We will be starting with a bit of skincare because my skin is feeling a little dry. So I am using this Good Vibes Rose Glow Toner. Just gonna spray it twice. And my hand is clean, so I am going to tap it just like that. Now I am not going to put any moisturizer because I already had it, and if I put it now then I'm going to go in the sun and then my face will get too oily. So that's why this is a great option if you feel your face a bit drying but you don't want that much of oil that a moisturizer gives. You can always go for a toner. It works nice, and plus we will be wearing sunscreen, so it is going to give a bit of hydration as well, so that should be enough. So for the sunscreen I'm using the Lotus Matte Gel. And don't forget any corners of your face and of your neck because that's very important. Now we will go with a primer, and I'm using this Blue Heaven Pore Perfection. I'm keeping it to the center of my face where I sweat usually. And today we will be applying a BB cream instead of a foundation because foundation is heavier, and especially when we are sweating like nothing, going with a lighter option is much better. So this is the Fair and Lovely BB cream. You can use it with your finger, beauty blender, brushes, anything that you feel like. I want to use it with a brush today. Let's see how it goes. I have it on my hair. I'm using this Cuffs and Lashes F013 brush. Now this is not going to cover your pigmentation or anything. It is just going to help you to have an even tone because I have a different skin tone here and a different skin tone here, so it is going to make that even. Okay, now I am going to color correct with a high coverage concealer. So I'm going to find my pigmentations and I'll just apply it there. This is pretty much it, and I will be blending it with a concealer brush, and this is by Cuffs and Lashes as well. The number is F011. So I'm going to start here. And while spot concealing, don't move your brush too much. Try to keep it very still and on top of the spot itself. See how it's concealing my dark spots there? And I will just blend the edges. Now you could have skipped the BB cream, but then the concealer would be too obvious because my concealer is lighter than my skin tone. That's why I went with the BB cream. But if your concealer is exact your skin tone, you don't need to go with any BB cream. Now I am going to go with this Neon Banana powder with the help of a fluffy brush, and I am going to apply quite a lot. especially in my forehead and in my mustache. I don't have one, but in here. Now the most important step is to apply setting spray. I'll be applying setting spray. I'll be applying setting spray at the last as well as in the middle of my look, so that it is going to give me double protection from the sun, because in summer this is what all of us need to have. Doesn't matter what type of foundation do you use, if you don't use setting spray, it's gone, it will be gone. So I am going to have 2 to 3 sprays of it. That jump scare. And I'm going to take my, right now I'm finding my beauty blender. Okay, so this is set. Now we will go with blush, contour and bronzer, all of these. I have used a bit of blush and contour. I'll apply highlighter later. Now let's move on to the eyes. So I am going to prime my eyelids first. And I'll be setting it with a bit of powder. Yeah, that's it. I'm thinking of doing a soft cut crease, so I am going to start with this one as my first color. And now the second color is going to be this one. I don't use this brush at all, but I wanted to use it today, so yep, I'm going with it. Okay, it is very hard to blend this with this brush, but I am stubborn as hell, so I'm going to blend it with this one. Okay, so the shape went very nice with this brush, I have to say it, but the blending was a bit hard. Now I am going to do a cut crease. So I'm going to take a little bit of concealer on the back of my hand, and with a thin brush like that, I am going to cut my crease. I will not take it all the way up to the corner. I'm going to stop it in the middle. Now on the lid, I am going to go with this pretty yellow. Pretty much it. Now I am going to go with a dark color for my lower lash line, and for that I am using this one. That is done. Now I will be applying this glitter. It is by Hilary Rodha, and I am going to make the cut crease more prominent. Yeah. Now I am going to tightline my lower lash line, and I'll apply a pair of falsies, and I'll be right back. So the look is done. The lashes definitely very fluttery. I bought it new and I had no idea it would be so long, and I had to try it, so I did. Now we will be doing the rest of the face. So for highlighter, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Soap X palette. I'm going to use one shade from here. The eye is looking really pretty, but I don't know if you can see for the lashes because they are so long. Like, look. You know, it looked so beautiful inside the packaging, and right now I'm wearing it. It's like it's just a little too long. It's not like human lashes. So for the lipstick, I am going to wear a nude one. It is by Neon. And finally, the most important part is a setting spray. So I am going to apply that. It is done. So that is it. Let me know if you've liked this look or not, and what else do you want me to do for you in the comment section. So if you liked today's video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you like this face and want to see more from me, then do not forget to subscribe to this channel and hit on that little notification bell so that you don't miss any update. And until then, stay happy, keep glowing, stay safe.